What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to show you how you can use Fruity Granulizer to play any melodic loop as a instrument. It's something that I think Flume does, and I don't know if he uses FL, but you can do it in FL. So first I have my Fruity Granulizer right here that I've loaded this piano loop from my Patreon into. And overly simplified, the way that Fruity Granulizer works is it can play any sample that you've loaded into it at different pitches. So I've used a combination of playing the same note a bunch of different times. So I'm playing an A here with these 4 different little automations that I have to get this just absolutely depressing, like James Blakey piano type texture right here. And so the first automation I have here is the grain hold time. That's basically the length of each of the little slices of the sample that's being played. And as you can see, it gets kind of shorter and faster as it goes with this type of a downward curve. But then this yellow automation is going to be controlling where in the sample the playhead starts. So like which section of this little piano loop it's playing. Then this green automation right here basically adjusts this pan parameter so it turns it up towards the end of each of the notes and then back down. And it's just going to make it sound like as the notes are changing using the sample start position, there's like a panning difference that comes in. So you'll be able to see that right here if you're not using headphones. Lastly, I've gone into the little envelope section right here, which you can get to via the gear icon, and added an envelope that basically just means at the beginning of each of these sections, the sound has a really short attack, and then every note after that kind of decays out. And as you can see, what that does there is just helps the different parts blend into each other because the release of the note ending and playing out covers up the slow attack of the next note that happens. If you want to know more about all the different knobs in Fruity Granulizer, click the link that's up on the screen right now. Or if you're wondering like what kind of samples can I use for this, first of all, you can use parts that you already have in your track. So a sample that you're already using or a rendered piece of your track. So just render the melodic parts of your track into audio, and then you can make a texture using the song that you're already working on to like get some inspiration. Or lastly, go to my Gumroad or my Patreon, sign up for one of those, or buy something, spend money. I would appreciate that. It supports the channel and it keeps me from dying. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.